Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamotho. And today I want us to discuss something on page 163 of Pure Mathematics 1. And under the topic differentiation, this is the book we are discussing, Pure Mathematics 1, Students Book 1, under the topic differentiation. And I want us to go to page 163 of the same book and understand something. And we are going to discuss about gradient, tangent, and normals. First of all, what is a tangent? We know what the gradient is. What is a tangent? What is a tangent? A tangent is a line. It is a straight line that touches a curve at only one point. That is a tangent. For example, if you're having a curve of this nature, a tangent of the curve at that point is a straight line that touches a curve at that very point. That is a tangent. And the special feature of the tangent in this particular video is that we must highlight and say, we have to highlight and say the gradient of a tangent, the gradient of a tangent is exactly equals to the gradient of the curve at the very point of contact. This is very important. Forget everything, not this. The gradient of a tangent is exactly equals to the gradient of the curve at the very point of contact. You can already see, we explained this in the first principle gradient, that as h reduces, then we get closer to getting the tangent, and the gradient of the curve is given by the gradient of the tangent at that particular point. That is number one. What is normal? What is normal? A normal is a straight line which is perpendicular to the tangent, and by extension, if it is perpendicular to the tangent, it is also perpendicular to the curve at the very point of intersection. At the very point of intersection, normal is perpendicular to the tangent of that curve at that particular point. So we are saying that if this is a curve and this is the tangent, if this and this is the tangent, that there is a normal that is perpendicular to the tangent, and that is the normal. This is the tangent, and this is now the normal. The relationship between the tangent and the normal is that something that you must not forget, that the product of the gradients of the tangent, the product of the gradients of the tangent and the normal is negative 1. Is negative 1. So if you happen to multiply the gradient of the tangent and the normal, they will give you negative 1. And the major thing, of course, we know, remember the property of perpendicularism. Since they are perpendicular. Since they are perpendicular. And that just like it. Forget about every other literature that is given on that page. This is the summary of that. This is the summary of that. The rest, they're just playing around with functions, numbers, figures, but this is just exactly what they are telling you. So in my next video, I will be able to explain this using 2 examples, and this will be good. Okay.